guys, welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, hello, happy Valentine's Day to everybody. All my love to you all. Right, so this video is part of a very special collaboration. I think it's called the Bleeding Hearts collaboration by our wonderful Jules. Jules is awesome. She makes me do it in buying things all the time. She's amazing. Right.
She's expensive.
Yeah, she's expensive, but we love her. Right, so, as I said, this is part of the Bleeding Hearts collaboration. Playlist is going to be linked below. Go show some love to everybody taking part because they're absolutely amazing. Now, we're getting close on time. I say close, it's next Saturday. The video's next Saturday. It's the Sunday before today. So, for me, I have loads of time. Yeah, do I know what I'm doing? No, I have really struggled with this one. So, I am kinda keeping it simple. Kinda. There is a kinda in there. Yeah. Got these. When did I get these, Chris? Was it recently or not?
Oh, the other day.
Oh, yeah. These are...
A couple of days ago.
Couple of days ago, so these are very recent.
They had to be a couple of days ago because I knew where they were.
That's actually a really valid point. Yeah, so it's a set of 4 from Temu. You can probably... shut up, Janet. Right, you can probably get them elsewhere, but the little bottles with the lids. I might actually do a couple of these, just because why not? Right, so yeah. For the video though, this is going to be the focus. Now, I was really struggling, as I mentioned, with what I'm doing. Yep, still struggling. I'll figure it out. So, I am going to be I've got some glitter, which is next door in my living room still. Honey.
I'm going.
Thank you. I've got some lovely new glitter. Specifically for this. Thanks, Jules. You gave me an excuse to buy stuff. You're awesome. So, yeah. Got some sparkly new glitter. I'm struggling a little bit trying to get the bleeding hearts kind of thing going on. So what I was thinking, I'm going to put some of the glitter, which I'll show you once it comes back into the craft room. I'm going to put a little bit of glitter in a little bit of resin, pour it so it fills the top of the bottle, and then I am just going to be filling up the rest. Now, I was thinking of doing like black or at least brown to get a smoky colour, so it's dark. It's not all yay pink and purple. Catch last Tuesday's video if you want pink and purple. So yeah, it's dark a little bit. You know, that kind of thing. So super straightforward. That's all I'm doing. I'm going to do the lid, I think, red, or should I do it the same colour? Oh, I hate making decisions. I'll figure that one out. So yeah, going to do that. Once it's done, I'm going to make this into a shaker. Yeah. So all I'm doing is mixing the glitter in with some of the baby oil that I use. It is baby oil. I've watched way too many of Daniel Cooper's videos. I'm sure it was one of his videos or many of his videos. Yeah. And then I'll just be sealing that on top. However, I shall be back for that. So, I really need to stop waffling. This is what happens when Chris isn't in the room. I'll just start yakking And you guys, end up listening to me. So anyway, shut up, Janet. Right, so that's what I'm doing. I am being cuckoo crazy in that I am recording at least 2 videos at the same time. So Tuesday just gone and this video. I did have an idea for yesterday's. If you're watching this, you'll have already seen yesterday's. Still no idea what I'm doing with that one. So yeah, I'm trying to multitask. It's going so far. So we'll see what happens. So yeah, when it comes to doing this, if you see additional bits on the G3, it's because I'm doing multiple videos. That's why. So this is the glitter that I've got. Now it is Hemway Ultra Sparkle glitter. And it's little hearts. Can I get it open? Yeah, I've got mental images of it going all over the place. So, it's little hearts. So yeah, that's the glitter I'm using. It's very Valentine's. So yeah, with the bleeding hearts thing, I'm putting the black in, make it a bit more brooding, and we'll see what happens from there. Right, so I shall be pausing the camera now, rearranging my workspace, because as I mentioned, I'm doing multiple videos at once. Yay. I'm very organised. Not. So, right, I shall be back once the resin has been mixed up and I've figured out what I'm doing with the lids. Catch you in a few.
It's time to laugh, it's time to cry. Bleeding heart Valentine, not a chocolate pie. You're holding on with tape and glue. Some days you won't ride through, some days you're shiny new. When your heart's in pieces like old spare parts, when you need new tires on that stubborn heart, call your friends, we'll pull you through it. Yeah, we'll pull you through it. If you're wondering why we do this, well, Jules made me do it. Yeah, remember when you lose it. Hashtag Jules made me do it. Card on the table, ink running wide, spilling out secrets you're too tired to hide. She booked the room, hung the fairy lights, said we're fixing souls tonight, and we'll laugh until we cry. When your heart's in pieces like old spare parts, when you need new tires on that stubborn heart, call your friends, we'll pull you through it. Yeah, we'll pull you through it. If you're wondering why we do this, well, Jules made me do it. Yeah, remember when you lose it. Hashtag Jules made me do it. Raise that glass to every scar, to every almost falling apart. If you feel foolish for feeling this much, blame the one who booked the party and started all this love. When your heart's in pieces like old spare parts, your jewels made me do it. Every tear that's running through it. Hashtag jewels made me do it.
Hey guys, well, Janet is still ill, so I'm having to finish this project off for her for the bloody Valentines collaboration with Jules. So I'm just going to fill these up with some UV so they're flat bottomed. Hello, Croaky.
Hello.
Okay, so these are now cured, so I'm going to demold these. Right, now I found the glitter. It's the same one that was used in the last project, the Hemway Ultra Sparkle little hearts. So I'm just going to put a little bit in each one. It's probably a better way to do this, but it is what it is. Don't know why there's so much static, it's pulling the glitter all over the place. Well, it makes it interesting. I'm just going to clean up the tops to make sure there's no glitter on there, so it doesn't cause any problems when sticking the caps in. Right, so normally we would use baby oil, but for some reason we don't know where it's gone. It's completely vanished, so I'm just going to put a little bit of water in. should be enough water. So again, I'm just going to use a cotton bud just to dry off the inside. Resin tends not to want to stick to wet stuff, which is always fun. So I'm going to stick these in with UV. Now, is it better to put it on that part or this part? We'll put it on the corks. And yes, I know I should be wearing gloves for using resin, but the ones that we have for UV don't fit me. Cap back on that one. Let's give this one a quick flash with the torch. Alright, I'll do the rest of these on speed up, so you don't have to endure the long waits. Right. That's those completed. Well, let us know what you think, guys. As normal, there's links in the description below to both the playlist and all our discounts, buy me a coffee and Amazon wishlist. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she leaves. She's the crafty